Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely gorgeous Yamaha XVS950. So this one is a 2014 on a 64 plate, done 4,489 miles from new. It's got the Vance Hines exhaust on, so it sounds absolutely fantastic. Other nice extras, LED indicators, it's got the high-rise bars on there as well, so super comfortable and a bit more laid back. You do get, if I just lean over and turn it on, the digital display there in the centre, and you can see they're mega low mileage, but the look the part, sound the part, and the really good value for money. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.